Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to use Monday.com for construction. So if you don't know yet, Monday.com is a project management tool that lets you have a workspace so that you can manage all of your tasks, all of your details, all of your needs in your workplace. And for this video, more specifically for a construction company or a construction management. So from here, we can create our own workspace from scratch, but that will take a lot of time. And then you can also encounter some errors, especially if you don't know how to use the platform yet. So I recommend that you can use the templates right here in money.com, more specifically construction templates. So to do that, you can just click on the plus icon right here, go to the template center, and then type in here construction. And then you will see all of the templates right here relating to construction. So for example, we have a construction schedule, we have a construction roadmap, we have construction management, we have construction project tracker, and then general contractor solutions. So choose the template that you want to use. So for example, I want to use this one, construction management. Just click on it, and then you will have a video right here as well as some images. And then this video details the overview of this template right here. So you can go ahead and watch this if you want to know some more details about this template. So from here, I will just click on use template, and then we will wait for this to finish loading so that we'll apply the template to my workspace. Now that the template has finished loading, it has added the construction template inside of my main workspace. So I have here the construction schedule where I can see all of the details according to the construction or the schedule of my construction projects. So you can go ahead and edit the details right here so that you can relate the information according to your workspace. So right here we have construction projects. So we can have different projects right here that we can edit so that you can manage all of your projects in one place. And then from here we can click on construction management. So this one has 3 sub items. So we have the subcontractors. So you can put in here your staff according to your subcontractors. We have the project overview. You can go ahead and edit the details right here so that you will have an overview of all of your projects. We have here project details. You can go ahead and edit the details right here according to your projects. If you want to create a new workspace, so just click on this button right here and then click add workspace. So for example, I'll name this construction. Click on add workspace, and then you can go ahead and click on the plus icon, go to the template center, and then we will use another template for construction. So for example, I want to use the construction roadmap. I can just click on it and then click on use template. So from here, I can use this template to have a roadmap of my construction projects. You can go ahead and name your projects right here. So you can click on the individual projects to see more details, or you can just edit your details right here in the table. So you have the project, you have the project manager, you have the stage right here. So if it is a business case, resource plan, feasibility study, approved, engineering done, and so on and so forth. Then you can edit here the timeline as well as the location and then the budget that you need for the project. And then this one right here only has one item, so this just contains all of the construction roadmap. And then that's it. Just go ahead and play around with the different templates right here in monday.com so that you can manage all of your workspace and then edit the details according to your needs for your construction company or your construction management things. And then that is it. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.